Hi girls! Okay, so in the second lesson of the double period, we're going to be looking at solvent, solute and solution. Now before we start with the lesson, I want you to go to OLE and find the solutions and solubility video. You can pause this video and watch that. Okay, so when we put salt into water and give it a bit of a stir, the salt crystals tend to disappear. The salt have actually spread out into water, but they're too small to be seen, and when this happens we say that the salt has been dissolved in water. Now, the solute is a substance that dissolves and is present in small amount in solution. The solvent is a substance that solute dissolves in and is present in large amount in solution. And the solution is when a solute is dissolved in a solvent. So if you think about the example that I talked about with salt and water, the solute is the salt because and the solvent is the water. That's because the salt dissolves in water, and there is a lot more water than there is for salt. And the salt water is the solution. Let's practice some questions. So the first example is, what is the solute and solvent in the raw powdered drink? The raw powdered drink is the solution. Have a think about it. You can pause this video. Okay, so in the raw powdered drink, the solute is the raw powder and the solvent is the water, right? Because the raw powder gets dissolved in water, and there is a lot more water than there is for raw powder. What about in a cup of Milo? What would be the solute and the solvent in a cup of Milo? Again, you can pause this video. Okay, so in a cup of Milo, which is the solution, the solute would be the Milo, the powder, and the solvent would be either hot water or hot milk. I prefer hot milk. Okay, so we talked about Raro and Milo, which can be soluble, but some things don't really dissolve in solvents, and we call those insoluble. So for example, if we look at, if we add sand or dirt into water, no matter how many times you give it, stir the solution, the sand simply doesn't get dissolved in water. So sand is insoluble in water. And then we look at this metal called gallium. Gallium will not dissolve in water, no matter how many times you stir it around. So gallium metal is insoluble in water. But Raro is soluble in water, and Milo is soluble in water and milk. Okay, so this is in your booklet if you have it with you. So you can pause this video and try to fill in the blanks. Okay, so we're adding this blue powder substance, which is the solute, and the liquid in the beaker is the solvent. And when we add the solute into the solvent, we call that a solution. And again, if a substance can be dissolved, it is called soluble. If a substance cannot be dissolved, the substance is insoluble. Okay, so again, this is in your booklet, and this is one of the practicals that I wanted to do at school, but unfortunately we're not there. So this investigation is about you weighing you don't have a beaker, so maybe in a cup you could put 100 ml of water. And if you have a scale, try weighing your cup with the water. And then add 3 teaspoons of sugar. It doesn't have to be 3 teaspoons. It can be however much you want. And then try re-weighing the cup with the water and sugar and see if the mass changes. And then you can write your data in the table that is provided and try to write the conclusion. Explain why the mass of the cup, the water and the sugar is more than the cup and just water when the sugar has disappeared from the cup with water and sugar. So you can try this investigation and let me know how it goes. I'd love to hear about it.